Welcome back to Just Gulden. I thought I'd do a quick and fun stats video comparing gold and Gulden supply and pricing at the time of making this video. Very important to note, these figures will change constantly, but not drastically in the short term. For the gold market cap, you can use the site that I've put as a reference there, 8marketcap.com. I'll also put it in the description below. So gold's market cap is currently around $11.3 trillion. Gulden's market cap is currently around $23.2 million. This makes the gold market cap 488,431 times larger than Gulden at the time of making this video. So let's move on to the price. The current gold price stands at $1,791, and the current Gulden price is $4. So 1 ounce of gold will buy you plus minus 39,760 Gulden. So how much will 100,000 of each cost? To buy 100,000 Gulden will cost roughly $4,000 or 3,306 euros. This amount will fluctuate quite a bit because there isn't as much Gulden available on the markets compared to gold. To buy 100,000 ounces of gold will cost $179 million or 148 million euros roughly at this time. Important stats. Only 5,420 people could own 100,000 Gulden at this time, and only 7,500 after all Gulden is mined in over 80 years. But obviously, most people that own Gulden will own between 1 and 5,000 Gulden. Moving on to gold, only 63,306 people could own 100,000 ounces of gold at this given time, and we don't know for sure how much gold will be mined out in the future. So would you agree that Gulden has the potential to be gold's gold? In my next video, I'll be discussing the confirmed max supply change to 750 million and how it's part of the change in landscape in switching Gulden from a currency characteristics to a store of value coin. Thank you for listening, and until next time, please take care.